Hello, my presentation is related with my profession. I have a proposal about educational materials to improve our educational practice. For several years, it has been developing educational material at the school where I work. The experience of teacher an excellent referent, resulting in the books of notes, practice, and experiments of physics. This book is designed especially for preparatory students in the system. It is an economical and affordable alternative, but at the same time is above curriculum standards that require our educational authorities. The characteristic of the book of notes and experiment of Physics 1 explain topics such as why study physics, the various types of movement for a classical viewpoint or a Newtonian physics, the application of the Newton's laws. Several experiments in the first books are presented mainly related to Newton's laws. The experiments were built with the efforts of some teachers with high quality and prototype design for the student to learn in the best way. The characteristic of the book of notes and experiments of Physics 2 explains topics such as hydrostatic, hydrodynamics, heat and temperature, first and second law of thermodynamics. In the second book of physics, experiments are related to fluid mechanics, where will be addressed to studies of some gases and liquids, such as water and air. Some aerodynamic experiments, for example, to know why airplanes fly. Characteristics of the books of notes and experiments of topics in physics explain topics such as electromagnetic phenomena, electrical phenomena, and engines and voltage transformer related electromagnetism. In this last book of physics, experiments are focused mainly on the study of electrical phenomena. We learn to use instruments for measurement electrical variables, also the construction of electrical motor in the fascinating world of the physics. Preparatory students will have fun while learning the principle of many phenomena of daily life and get to know how our world works. Even we can know what influences the atmosphere in our health. For example, in the picture we observe a very enthusiastic student. She watched how hydraulic press works. Perhaps she is wondering where can apply or has seen workplaces in the city where she lives. Here we can see a student taking measurements, perhaps to know the density of the wood cube to see if it will float in the water. The student performed the measurement of the volume of the cube. Any laboratory could be used for demonstration of various physical phenomena, such as seen in the photographs. A group of students doing experiments with heat and temperature, measured with various instruments such as thermometer. In some science fairs, students give demonstration of what they have learned. Here in the center town, some elementary school students curiously observed the experiment. They had fun while they learned. Here we see that the experiment and practice can be implemented in the classroom, such as a balance system which has a rope, an instrument for measuring force, and a stone. Here is the showing some law of Newton. Physics and mathematics are essential for developing reasoning skills and solve everyday problems. In the picture, some calculation necessary to know quantitatively shown some physical phenomena, making it is necessary to use notebook and calculator. A teacher is experimenting with other instruments to measure arm strength. Physics teachers first perform tests measuring the instrument and subsequently make changes and improvement to educational materials. Proposal for the use of this book: 1. Provide a book and experiment to each student. 2. Will find copies of each prototype or experiment. 3. Promote the books at other schools. The development of the books took about 4 years, but the purpose of construction is to provide quality education. Therefore, the cost per book is 35 pesos for a student, and the use of book is exclusive for a student of preparatory. The benefit to the derived by a sponsor, in this case to Secretary of the Education, are to solve the deficiency of bibliographic material and deficiency of laboratories. The quality of education mainly in the hands of teachers. However, it is necessary that the educational community involved in the projects of teachers, teamwork, and better serve our students. Thank you very much.